I don't know what's wrong with me, and whoever can help me, you can sit me down and help me. Maybe something wrong with me mentally. Indoni guys, actually, like serious, bro. Like, bro. Like, do you know I have days where I sit down and I like, why, bro? Do you cheat when you do? Like, when's I doing? You get what I'm saying? Like, I do ask myself those questions. Maybe I actually do need to see a therapist because we end up hating people that we really love. But
Sfiso, what is wrong with Sfiso? Guys, Sfiso is married. He has a wife, beautiful wife. Why would you come on social media and tell people that when you are cheating on your wife? Sizombheka njani uwife wakho? Because now, like, istima samfazi wakho, everyone knows now ukuthi wena you are cheating on your wife. Why are you doing that, Sfiso? Guys. Let's go to the comments. So this one says, Sfiso is too old to think like this. I agree. Like, even if you do think like this, why are you coming on social media and just say whatever you're thinking? Like, why? Cheaters know exactly what they are doing. Yes, they do. Cheating is not a mistake. You don't need therapy for cheating. It's a choice. Cheating is a choice. Seriously, like, I don't understand why he's saying maybe. You are even saying maybe. Guys, I don't understand. Could be because of a central spirit. No, I don't think so. How old is this man? Guys, also some dollar. I think maybe we are go 50 man, if I'm not mistaken. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but I think he's chasing 50. I think he's 40 something. I don't know. Actually, maybe something is wrong with me mentally. Usfiso oshonjalo uthi maybe something is wrong with him mentally. Darling, there's nothing wrong with you mentally. Men just cheat, Jay. I don't know why. There's no reason, but men just cheat. You're not the only one. All of you as men, you guys cheat. It's not a mentally something what. You don't need a therapy for that. You guys are just cheaters and that's it. Probably after the show, he was like, time to cheat. I was faced. So, long story short, akazithandi. Uthi lo ubanjiwe umfana useyagoqa nje manje. Nami ngiyasola ukuthi something happened, because why would you come on social media and just tell everyone ukuthi when you are cheating on your wife? Like, who does that? Mina ngizoshaya laba abanesibindi sokuqoma wena. Mina ngizoshaya wena ngongihlekisayo. Hey, Nkosi yami. Obani laba abaqoma uSifiso? Nobazi vezeni imqomelana uSifiso, guys. Guys, yazi nje. Niyamazi nje ushadile bakwethu. Hey, yazi nina. Sifiso umdala for all this, ngeke phela. Ya khona khulekile, hayi ukhulile yena shem. Uthi lo wehlisa isithunzi samfazi wakhe, but akaboni. Exactly what I was saying, ukuthi why would you do that to your wife? Why would you come on the internet and tell everyone ukuthi when you are cheating on your wife? Hibana. Uthilo, please don't tell me uSifiso ngumXhosa. He is 100% Xhosa, my darling. 100% Xhosa. Uthilo, isn't this a Mapiano podcast? What a question. What a question. Guys, yes, this is Piano Pulse. This is an Amapiano podcast. But yeah, asazi ukuthi sifike kanjani manje ekutheni uSifiso akhulume ngokucheatha engabe ukhuluma ngamapiano asazi. Abafazi ba strong out there. Yay. Guys, ba strong abantu besifazane. Mina I know a married woman oshadile nomuntu akhe ohlala naye endlini, but indoda yakhe ine-side chick and she knows about it, but akayindawo uthi nje I'm not gonna leave my husband because of a side chick. Guys, Aisha, uthi lo therapist for cheating, excuse me, cheating is a choice. Yeah, cheating, guys, is a choice. You don't need therapy for that. You don't need therapy for making those kind of decisions, for making those kind of choices. Come on. Seriously? Nangu Sifiso dlala ngathi bo. Sifiso is a character. He is a character, and usile ufuna kube ngathi manje simdabukele ngathi like he has like a problem with cheating. Cheating is not like, when you are cheating, it doesn't mean that there's something wrong with you. There's nothing wrong with you. You know exactly what you're doing. We're not gonna feel sorry for you, so you know exactly what you're doing. Wazi kahle ukuthi wenzani mose ukuthi uthela umfazi wakho thina nje stop coming here and saying that, oh, I need therapy, maybe I need therapy. No, you don't need therapy. You need to stop cheating. If you don't like doing it, then why are you doing it? Simple. How? Uthi lo ngubani ojola nesisidenge? Hi guys, asazi phela mhlambe one day bayophumela obala, because yazazi indaba zaku social media zihambe ziyiveza. Anyway guys, wena ucabanga ukuthi le nto yenziwa i-right yini ukuthi atshele the whole world ukuthi yena he's cheating on his wife? Mina on my side, I think he was wrong by doing that. Wehlisa isidima samfazi wakhe. But anyway guys, that's it from me. I'll see you guys on my next video.